Hi, welcome. Today we want to look at how you can design a very simple, beautiful, colorful organizational structure which you can even print and stick it on the wall of the organization. You can even attach it to the email. You can as well attach it to any organizational report which can go to management for further discussion. We are going to use either PowerPoint or MS Word. They both have a function called Smart Art. With Smart Art, we can be able to design what you can see here and even play with styles and even the layout to suit whatever you need. I'm going to start from scratch. I will go to new slide, blank one. Then in this blank slide, I will start by inserting the title of the organizational chart. So I will just click insert. Then I just click word art and choose maybe the first one. Then I will write here maybe ABC company structure. I can go ahead and even reduce the font size in the home. Just reduce to make it more presentable and move it up here. Then going forward, I want to insert a chart. Then I will be able to edit it the way I want. I will go to insert and choose smart art. Then under smart art, I will choose hierarchy and choose any of these ones. I can just click this one and click OK. Once it has inserted so many boxes like this, I want to make it simple, so I will remove all this. I will just press, I click the box and press delete key. Then I will just remove all these ones. I want to remain with one. Okay, so that I can show you how to manage it well. So with this one, I will just write here chairman. Chairman. Now below chairman, I want to add another box below. So I will come here and click this this small arrow pointing down under add shape and say add shape below. When I click it, another one is inserted below. So I will type here CEO. Okay. Now under CEO, I will also click this box and I will come and write here and insert here add shape below, and maybe that one will be branch managers. Okay, those are now branch managers. Now I will go back to my CEO box and go to my add shape. Remember, add shape pops when the design is active. So when I click this down arrow, I will just add another add shape below CEO. Okay, then you can even use this box here, and I will type here HR manager. Then I will still go to my CEO box and add another shape. Add shape below, and this time I will add here, this will now be chief accountant. Now after that, I want to go ahead and below branch managers, I want to add two more boxes. So I will click this box for branch manager and go here, add shape below, and here I will write sales reps. Then I will click branch manager again in that box, and I will add shape here below. Then I will write there IT support. Okay, I can write the IT support. Then I can come here and click my branch manager again and choose here operations. Okay, operations. Then under chief accountant, I will click my chief accountant, and I will go ahead and click here add shape below and add their accountants. Okay, that is how simple it is. I can even move this one and position it well. I can even stretch this box to make it look attractive. Now, once the structure is done, we can go ahead and play around with colors. Just click this big box, you see this outer box, and under format, you can see there are a lot of things you can do. You can even check here what you can do. You can click and see how things look. If you're not interested, you just undo. You can even come to maybe this one and try it out. If it is not good for you, you just undo. Under design, you can play around with how this thing look like. Okay, we can start with the colors here, and I try to play with the colors. You see it is changing colors. If you want one color, you can still apply one color like that. If you want different colors, you can as well come here and choose the text of your choice. Now under layout, you can also come here in the layout and change the way those boxes look like. You can even choose this one, maybe this one. You can see when I click, it changes the whole thing. It looks different now. If you like that, you can go with that. If I come back here, I can choose a different layout like this one, and it will change it the way it looks. So depending on your own taste. Okay, I can come back here again and make this 3D. You see how they look. Just click and see how it looks. It looks like 3D format. That is how simple it is to design a chart or organizational chart or organizational structure for your company. And this thing can be used in a report, or it can be printed and stuck on the wall, and it can be used by the management to remind the employees to know how roles flow from one department to another, depending on the organization they are serving. That is how simple it is. Please go ahead and try this out. It is not difficult. You can do it in MS Word. You can also do it in PowerPoint depending on the size of the diagram you want to make. If it is very huge, you can use MS Word for it. If it is small, like mine, then you can use the MS PowerPoint to do it. Go ahead and try it out. If you are new, please consider subscribing so that if there is any new video, you will be posted immediately. It is online. For those people who are already subscribers, thank you so much for your support and see you next time. Bye bye.